Uh, Hello everyone. So our project is AI-based telepathology, guided by Professor Manjunath Mahadevappa. So our teammates, Vinay Umadi, Sai Pavan, and myself Abhilash. So coming to our project objective. So the main aim of our project is to design and develop an advanced telepathology website uh, to assist pathologists and the patients. So the main features of our uh, projects are pathologists and the patients sign up and log in. We have a landing page. So what can pathologists can do? So they can see patients list and they can allow or reject the request uh, given by the patients, and they can comment on the generated results, and they can also alert the patients if it is emergency. So what can patients do? They can view the available pathologists on their request. They can upload the latest samples of their pathology and can view their text from the pathologist results. And coming to our landing page, so this is a main landing page. So what motivated us? So the motivating force for this activity is that it is not available always possible to provide the best expertise everywhere, especially in remote areas. So that uh, while the highest expertise is available within the country and it is not available to a large section of populations in rural areas. And why has so it is accessible online for 24 cross 7 and no more waiting for the pathologist to get diagnosis, and it is also a AI assisted diagnosis, and the data which you provide it's always safe. So why to join? So reach out to more patients, flexible workers, and AI assistants. So these are the people who given the uh, good feedback about our websites. So you can reach out to us by giving this feedback form. So you can fill your name and you can rate us through this.
Thank you, Abhilash. Myself, Startup Psycho, and I will going to take care of next slides. So here I will going to show how to sign up and sign up patient and pathologist. So this is the landing page, and you can get started from here. So you can also sign up with the patient registration and pathologist registration. And if you go for patient registration, you can see all the details. I already registered with all these details, and I would like to show this pathologist registration also. Here it is also like similar to the patient registration, but there are few different changes are there, like where to distinguish the patient and the pathologist. For example, designation and experience and registration ID and all those things. So I already registered with those three accounts, and I will going to go for so now I will going to like as I explained, I will going to go for initially patient sign in. So this is the patient. Sorry. So yeah, this is the patient dashboard. You can see here. So here you can see basic information regarding the pathologist and pathology sample and the pathology classification and pathology segmentation results. And you can also like see the diagnosis comments and consultant and profile. I'm going to explain all these three. little bit brief. So this is your basic profile that we're going to take your email, mobile number, and address. So you can also edit your details based on your current updates and all those things. And one more thing, you have to consult every pathologist from this portion. For example, if I take add consult and I'm taking uh, pathologist as Doggin Ronaldo, and so I would like to use today's estimate and time around 12 p.m. So you can see the alert has successfully sent request. I'm going to show that in pathologist position. Yeah, here this is pathologist dashboard, and you can see all those like alerts that you got. Yeah, here Alex Jones from the patient Alex Jones, and you got pending request. I can also accept or reject the request. So I'm accepting this. So it will going to give the confirmation. And if I back to go patient discussion, and, and I would like to do some refresh here. So you can see it will going to disappear, and it will be in confirm section that your appointment is booked with Darwin Ronaldo at 12 o'clock, and all with date and all those things. Patient dashboard explained, patient pathology explained, pathology appointment booking is also explained, up, accept or reject also explained, and pathologist diagnosis comments. I will go for pathologist options. So here in this section, you can see, sorry, yeah, in this section, these are the requests that we got from pathologist and sorry patient. So we can also view all those things based on the comment. So I'm commenting, right, just a basic text commenting. Yeah, it will going to be shown in pathologist section. So diagnosis and pathologist comments. So here you can see commenting. I just made it a dummy text to show this. And next, when I will going to uh, take care of next slides.
Thank you, Pawan. You did a good job. So now I'm going to explain. So what are the new things that we have added apart from the existing things that everyone builds upon? So we had added the sample uploads from the patient side. So on the computer-aided diagnosis, that is a main part of AI-based telepathology. So we had two things in a computer-aided diagnosis. The one thing is breast cancer classification for the especially women patients. This is particularly important in the Indian scenario because most of the women are facing this breast cancer issue. About 40% in their lifetime they face some sort of breast cancer issues. So would like to add uh, this computer diagnosis to our project. And also another thing is histological tissue segmentation and labeling. This is particularly useful for pathologists. So when they can have a whole slide image of tissue, so they can use this tissue to get a labeling pixel by pixel. So now I'm going to explain about the breast cancer classification. This is a basic convolutional network with 5 common layers. It's a binary classification task which gives a label of benign versus malignant. And this one is deployed at breast cancer classification over here. So you can just go over here. So, so I already opened it. So I'm showing it here. So you can click on the image and you'll get the response image prediction. So the same is deployed to our system. So I'll show from the patient side. If I go to the pathology classification, if I upload, so here like previously upload samples and their class labels. If I upload a new sample, I'll select a new one. This is a class 0, that means benign, and I'm uploading it, saving the changes. So I should the class label of benign for this image. Let us see what model says. So the image is uploaded successfully. Uh, so the new one over here, it says it's a benign class. So the model is working perfect. So this one for the breast cancer classification. And coming to the pathology segmentation, where is my slides? Okay, yeah, okay. So coming to the segmentation, so this is a model adapted from the histosegment. So this is a paper title semantic segmentation of histological tissue types in whole study base. There are about 32 tissue types in the, as mentioned, which pathologists generally use to label. So here the method uses pixel level classification, a patch level classification, that defined by a pixel level classification. Basically two tasks, one is at a coarse level and one other one is at finer level. So this returns a morphological segmentation map and also a functional segmentation map. So this one is also deployed on my Heroku application. You can see over here. Mm, Just a second. Yes, so this one is deployed over here. So I'm just going to our integration part. So here it is integrated over here. So the pathology segmentation. It will take a bit of time. I'm selecting the sample. So if I select this sample and open it, so the segmentation will automatically initiate. It will take about 25 to 40 seconds depending upon the server speeds to process this image. Since these images are also quite a bit large, it will take about a bit of time. So we'll wait. Yeah. So here I got the original image on the left side, the morphological segmented image on the middle, so on the functional segmentation on the right side. Even the pixel level, the colors with their tissue labels have been shown on the bottom side. So they're like a transport vessel denotes T and epithelium denotes ETU. So these are pathology segmentation. So this is particularly useful for pathologist. He can like use this for like uh, detecting abnormal regions, and he can track over the growth of these abnormal regions. So these are the main things that we have built into our site. So I'm ending here. So that's all for our AI-based telepathology. Thank you for watching our video.